Hey guys, so I have my case here. I don't have any audio, I don't have my audio equipment down here, but I'm gonna show you guys how it works and how you feed it in. So this is the switch right here, and this will allow me to feed in the wires. So I could plug in a left speaker, a right speaker as well. I can plug in multiple speakers in this, and then once I'm ready to hit the switch, it's as simple as just clicking, and it's got a nice little button here for it as well. And so this kind of allows you to have the bi-directional audio if you want, and it's essentially, it's a directional audio switch. So you could choose which way you want it to go. So say I want to, okay, boom, 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 I'm ready for it to go on my other side. I want to go to out, then you just hit the switch. And this is super easy because I can just feed the wires in here, and then I can decide which speaker I want it to come out of by, if I randomly just want to switch it around, you just click the button and there we go. So this is super easy and it's a nice little switch. I mean, I'm gonna put this upstairs probably with my speakers, so then once I want one side to go or I want the other, I can just hit the switch and I can turn it lower, put it on my other speakers. So this is a perfect switch and it's nice and strong. I mean, it's a good case for it. So I'm definitely gonna give it a thumbs up.